Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited to walk you through an interesting and insightful project called WhatsApp Chat Analyzer. This project is a practical application of data visualization techniques using various machine learning and data science libraries such as Matplotlib, Seaborn, and more. What is this project about? The WhatsApp Chat Analyzer is a web-based tool that helps users understand their WhatsApp chat data through interactive visualizations. Users can simply upload their exported WhatsApp chat file, in .txt format, and the application processes it to provide meaningful insights. It analyzes various aspects like most active participants, word frequency, emoji usage, daily and monthly activity, and more. The results are displayed through engaging graphs and charts, making the analysis fun and easy to interpret. Tech stack used. Let's talk about the technologies and libraries used to build this project. Python, the core programming language for data processing and backend logic. Streamlit, used to create an interactive and easy-to-use frontend interface. Pandas NumPy, for efficient data manipulation and handling. Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly, for generating detailed and attractive visualizations. WordCloud, to create visual representations of the most frequently used words. NLTK, for natural language processing and text cleaning. Key features of the project. Here are the main features that make this project insightful. Top statistics. Displays total messages, total words, number of media files shared, and links sent. Monthly and daily timelines. Visualizes the overall chat activity over time by showing how messaging trends change by month and day. Activity maps. Shows the most active days of the week and months of the year. WordCloud generator. Creates a word cloud highlighting the most frequently used words in the chat. Most common words. Lists and visualizes the top words used, giving insights into communication style. Emoji analysis. Examines emoji usage and provides a breakdown of the most used emojis in the chat. Let's see the project in action. Now that we've discussed the concept, tech stack, and features, let's dive into a live demonstration of how this project works, step by step. You'll see how simple it is to upload your chat and instantly get detailed insights about your WhatsApp conversations.